Is this your vehicle?
No.
No? You know whose it is?
No, I don't.
240. Did you see what the driver was wearing? Okay. We've got a white female out here on the porch wearing a white hoodie.
Do you stay here?
Yeah.
You don't know anything about this vehicle right here?
No, I don't. It's like that van that's been parked here for about like 2 or 3 months. That brown car been parked here for about 6 months, and then there's another one, a little old school. It's been out here for about a year.
Okay. All right. You don't know when this one pulled up or anything?
I've been seeing it here. I've been living here off and on for about 4 or 5 years. I've been seeing it for about 2 years off and on. I ride the bus.
Okay. Okay, fair enough. All right, appreciate it.
You looking for somebody or what's up? What's going on?
Well, just this vehicle's up to some nonsense.
Oh, really?
So,
You don't want that now? What?
we're trying to figure that out. Okay, thank you. Huh? This red one? This girl up here on the white porch, she's got a gun in her waistband. So just a heads up. It matches what 240 said about being a white female. I think he said something about a white hoodie too. I'm not going to push the issue unless he wants to. He's coming down here from 56 to 465 to try to ID her. I was like, can you ID her? He's like, oh yeah. I was like, okay, you want to come ID her? So
It's a level 6 felony resist, why not?
he's like, well, can we do it? I can't do it. Yeah.
What? Yeah.
I thought. I said, hey, do you recognize that red Honda? He's like, yeah, that's a real old Honda. He's like, that's hers? He's like, yeah. He's like, she just got here about an hour ago and took everything out of it and put it on the porch.
Yeah, well, she looks like her. I may get a closer look. I think she's going. Yeah, so we'll have to deal with that. Hey, how you doing? Hey, I need to talk to you, okay? Hey, don't you dare fucking touch it! Don't touch it! Control Frank 240, police action shooting. Son of a bitch. Life saving. Stay my lethal in case.
Don't you dare!
Don't you do it! Don't do it! 556 West Udell, start medics.